C's for cat who loves to purr. D's for dog with wagging fur. Animal friends, come and see, learning about them A to Z. E's for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping along. G's for giraffe, reaching high. H is for horse, running by. Animal friends, come and see, learning about them A to Z. I for iguana, in the sun. J's for jellyfish, having fun. K's for koala, up in a tree. L's for lion, wild and free. Animal friends, come and see, learning about them A to Z. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for newt, on the ground. O is for owl, cooing at night. P is for penguin, in cold white. Animal friends, come and see, learning about them A to Z. Q is for quail, quick and small. R is for rabbit with a hop and a call. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger with a roar so high. Animal friends, come and see, learning about them A to Z. U is for urchin, in the sea. V is for vulture, flying free. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for x-ray, fish see through too. Animal friends, come and see, learning about them A to Z. Y is for yak, strong and hairy. Z is for zebra, stripes so merry. Now we've sung our animal ABCs, let's go find them, if you please.